Okay, hello everyone. My name is Han Nian, and in today's presentation, I will give a introduction about agile methodologies and customer-centric development. So let's go ahead. First one, I want to give a brief introduction about agile methodology because we have learned it in our class, in our course. Agile methodology is a flexible approach where work is done in short cycles and products are delivered quickly with continuous improvement based on customer feedback. It emphasizes it emphasizes team collaboration and adapting to changes quickly rather than strictly following a plan or process. And the following are the four main characteristics of agile methodology: customer collaboration over contract negotiation, respond to change over following a plan, working software over documentation, and individuals' interactions over processes and tools. And what about the customer centricity? Customer centricity means putting customer needs and experience first, continuously improving products or services based on customer feedback, and ensuring that value delivered meets customer expectations. As we all know, as we all learned in the class, the agile methodology will let the customer to join in the development of the development process, and customers and the customer's idea and the customer feedback is a very important things we need to consider. And then is the customer involvement in agile process. And customer involvement in agile process refers to the active participation of customers or product owners in various stages of the project to ensure that the final product meets their needs and expectations. Customers typically participate in agile process in the following ways. Uh, First one is defining requirements. Customers help the team to clarify the product requirements and properties, ensuring that the development direction aligns with business goals through interaction with team and iteration reviews. At the end of each iteration, customers participate in review meetings, assess the completed features, and provide feedback to ensure the product gradually meets their expectations. Third one is quick feedback. Customers can provide feedback at any time, helping the development teams adjust direction and improve the product. The first one, decision-making participation. Customers can be involved in key decisions, ensuring that important properties and features are adjusted in a timely manner during development. Um, Maybe this introduction may be too abstract, so let me give you an example. For instance, in the development of an e-reading software, an online library, e-library, e-library software, customer involvement can occur in the following ways. For example, the defining requirements customer provides desired features for software book, uh, such as book annotation features, book numbers, etc. And in the iteration reviews, after each iteration, customer reviews the completed features and provide some feedback, such as how the uh, such as the quality of the annotation features, or the unclear of the interface and something like that. And they can also participate in the prototype testing. Customers test the customers need to test early versions of the interface and features, offering improvement suggestions like font size or bottom layout issues. And what's more, the customer can also participate in the priority adjustment. Based on the customer needs, the development team adjusts the priority of features, such as bookmarks uh, uh, making bookmark annotation more important than other features. And the fifth one is continuous feedback. After release, customer continues to provide feedback on issues and improvements. such as enhancing search functionality or adding a night mode or some other features. So this is a practical example of the customer participation in developing a e-library software. And then I want to introduce iterative development and customer feedback. Iterative development is to divide software development into multiple small stages. Each stage is called iteration. Each iteration usually lasts 1 to 4 weeks, and a usable and testable incremental product is delivered at the end. So iterative development and customer feedback are closely integrated to promote continuous product optimization. There are some characteristics of customer feedback. First one is frequent feedback. After each iteration, the development team will show the product increment and invite customers or end users to provide feedback. This frequent feedback mechanism can help team to find and solve problems in a timely manner during the development process. And customer-driven development is also another characteristic. Customer feedback directly affects the adjustments of product functions and priorities, ensuring that the product functions are what customer needs, rather than what the development team subjectively think is needed. So the benefits of the customer feedback is also obvious. For example, the customer feedback after each iteration helps the team members to understand which features are effective and which ones need to be improved or adjusted. Through customer feedback, the team can be more accurately identify changes in demand and respond quickly to changes in the market or users. So, as a nutshell, the as extract 4 key takeaways. First one is iteration and incremental development, customer feedback and driven development, flexibility and rapid adjustment, and cross-functional teamwork. And I think this is key takeaways in this topic. So the last slide is about the reference. These 3 articles help you to understand this content a lot. So if you want to learn more, you can read these articles. And finally, thank you for listening.